Okay, let's go.
Hey, this is Blake with Sgood Performance. Got a 23 WRX up on the lift. Test fitting our new Top Mount Oil Cooler Kit for the 22 Plus WRX. There's only slight modifications needed to install this kit. First being the hood scoop ram usually has a rubber piece that comes down that would like suction cup around the intercooler. You need to take that off. Just pull it off by there's plastic rivets right above it. You can kind of just take that right off. And then once that's off, you actually use a razor blade and you cut off where the rivets were attached to so you don't see those. And then it fits perfectly right over the oil cooler. As for the lines, we have custom lines on here, custom setup with the Mishimoto Oil Cooler. But you should be able to buy the Mishimoto kit that comes with the thermostat, the lines, the cooler, everything, and it should work fine. As for routing, we have them routed off to the side above everything, but you can even point the hoses down behind the oil cooler, have them run underneath and around. There's multiple different options. You might be able to even snake it on the right side, but the right side of the motor over here is just crammed with a bunch of stuff, so you might not be able to fit it over there. That's why I ran it over on this side. But the two mounting points for this oil cooler kit are on the intake manifold, one being over here and the other being over there. You got to make sure that you have your OEM intercooler bolts that mounted the intercooler to the intake manifold there. We provide all the hardware to mount or to assemble the oil cooler. You just need the bolts to mount it to the intake manifold that originally came with the vehicle.
We have provided a low-profile hex bolt to replace the throttle body mount bolt on the left side, as you see in the picture, for clearance.
If you have any questions about the install of the oil cooler itself, I would watch Mishimoto's install video, or they have a manual that goes into depth about everything you need to know about installing that. But if you have any questions about our kit, always reach out. We have Facebook, Instagram, or you can just reach out to us on our website. Hope you have a great rest of your day.